How to set up a Hydrajaws M2008 tester. The top face of the load-spreading bridge is marked with the testing body's orientation and mounting locations for 100 kN and 145 kN loads. The back of the bridge shows just the mounting holes. Next, we install the legs. To install the legs, feed them in from the top of the bridge and secure them with the pins. When all legs are in place, we can screw in the feet. The M2008 tester body can be mounted at two locations. For loads up to 145 kN, the body is mounted in this position, with the 145 kN legend visible on the bridge. For loads up to 100 kN, the body is mounted in this position, with the 100 kN legend visible on the bridge here. Here we are mounting the body onto the 145 kN position. Insert and tighten the two mounting screws. The tester is now set at the 145 kN configuration. Insert the connecting rod through the top of the tester. Screw an appropriate adapter onto the connecting rod. Once it is tight, it is recommended to turn it back a quarter of a turn. Then the adapter can be threaded onto the top of the fixing. Check that all pins are securely located through the legs. And that the bridge is level in both directions. To achieve this, the feet can be adjusted. Do not extend more than 20 mm, adjust the legs instead. Tighten the connecting rod nut with a spanner. Making sure that the tension is taken up in the fixing. Testing, in this example, to 2.5 kN. Apply a load using a ratchet spanner over the operating nut. Once the test is complete, take the tension off by unwinding the operating nut with a ratchet spanner towards 0 kN. Do not unwind further than the pin. Release the tension at the operating nut until the gauge reads 0